Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool underground here, and basically what this is a steam mop. If you can see for the one that we got right here is a brand called Bissell, and for this one they do call the Power Fresh Steam Mop. So this is basically what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. So when you guys first open up, here is basically what the inside looks like. So there's a lot of different accessories and stuff inside. Let's take all of it out. So first thing inside right here, they do provide guys an instruction manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And also provide guys a little warranty card as well. Right underneath that, they do provide guys some fragrance discs that you put in their product. So that way when you guys do use it to steam or clean your floor, you guys also get that fresh fragrance scent as well. And I'll show you guys how to set it up in a second. Right here, you can see they do provide guys one accessory that's in use. So that way when you guys do use it on carpet or something, that is basically where one of these actually comes in handy. You guys take the top part right here. There's another layer right here. Right underneath that, you can see there's a lot of stuff. So right here we do have the bottom part of the product. So right here we do have the brand logo. Right here it does label Power Fresh. On this side and this side they do have like a clear view so that we can see what's happening inside. Right here on top they do have the option for you guys to move it left and right. And you do have the option to move it up and down. And when you guys do raise up all the way, it does stand up, which is pretty nice. And then for the back part right here, you can see we do have an option for you guys to push it down. And that basically gives you guys an extra scrubber option. So that way if you guys do have a really bad mess or any kind of stain on the floor, you guys can basically use the scrubber option to help you guys scrub it off really easily. And once you guys are done, you basically want to push right here to bring it back up. So really cool how they do have the option, because if you guys see my previous video where I actually reviewed another steam mop from this brand, they don't have that option. But right here is basically what the bottom part looks like. And you see they do give you guys one of the actual cloth already. But I believe inside they do probably guys a few more. But after you guys do use the product, you do have the option to buy more, depending on how often you guys use it and how bad the mess is. And the way how you guys do take this out is actually very easy. You just want to pull it out. And that is basically what the inside looks like. Once you guys are done washing it, either hand washing or throw machine to wash it, you guys can put it back on really easy. Basically this part on top with a great option, which would be on top right here. So just like that. And the back part you guys want to go like this. And it's basically all set. So really easy and very simple for you guys to put it on. So that is basically the bottom part. Next thing inside, you see they do probably guys another one a cloth, but for this one slightly different. This one they do have this scrubbing option on here. So that way if your floor is actually very dirty or something, you guys can probably use this one instead, because this one will probably help you guys clean it better than the other one. And then here is basically what the inside looks like. Next up right here, they do probably guys a handle option. So you pretty much want to insert this onto the product, which I'll show you guys in a second. Back part right here, we do have the option for you guys to organize the cord, which I'll show you guys in a second as well. Top part right here, we do have a very nice handle that gives you guys a pretty good grip. And right here, they do probably guys a screw option for you to screw it together. And it looks like the last thing inside is the actual product. So let's take it out. So once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So we have to take out the wrapper. This is basically what the product looks like. So right here, we have the indicator light to show you guys when it's on or off. And right here, we do have the indicator light to show you guys which steam level it's using. So this is max, this is mid, and this is low. So the bottom part right here is where it's going to insert the bottom of the mop. And top part right here is basically where it's going to import the stick or the pole. Back part right here, we do have the other part of the cord option for you to organize it. Right here in front, you see we do have the brand logo. And right here, we do have the water tank. So I do take it out. You have to take it out really easy. So when you do take it out, that is basically what the water tank looks like. And they mentioned for the product, it's better for you to use distilled water, but you definitely have the option to use tap water as well. So how you guys add the water in is by twisting right here. And once you guys add the water inside, you can close it back up and push this back in. And right here we do have the cord, and we see the cord is pretty long. And here's basically what the plug looks like. And you guys can see for the bottom part here, we do have the option for you guys to press, so that way you can release the mop if you guys want to. So that is basically everything that's included in the package. Now let's put everything together to show you guys how to set it up. So the first thing I want to do is put this part right here. Make sure it snaps in. Once it snaps in, you can put on the handle. So the handle, you do want to take out the screw first. So basically want to insert the handle on top like this. Once you guys insert it in, you guys can turn it to the back. And where you guys want to put the screw is right here. So I bring up close, it's basically right here. Alright, so that's pretty good. So once you guys do fully set it up, here is basically what the product looks like. So before I should test it out, let me show you guys how to put on these two parts right here. In terms of the carpet accessory and the fragrance disc. So basically for the carpet accessory, you guys want to put it on top like this. Once you guys put it on, you guys can basically use like that onto your carpet. Now let me show you guys how to put on the fragrance disc. So first thing I'm gonna do is take out the product. And once you guys do take it out, it actually smells really fresh. They mentioned how it does give you guys a spring breeze kind of scent. But basically where I'm gonna put this is on the bottom. So I take out this part right here. If you see inside the fabric or the cloth, they do have a little net. So what I'm gonna do is put it inside like this. And that is basically how you guys set up the disc. So now if you guys do put it back on top, Now you guys are basically all ready to start using it. So now let's push everything to one side and we'll add some water inside and we'll start testing out. So you can see how when we put it right here, it does stand up by itself, which is pretty cool. And for this test, since we do have hardwood floor, we're just gonna use the hardwood floor option. So let's take out the water tank and add some water inside. All right, so that should be good. We don't want to do too much, then we're just doing a simple test. Put it back inside. Once you guys put it back inside, now you can start using it. So let's plug in the cable first. If you guys notice the length of the cable is pretty long. So for this test, let's use the scrubber option. So just like that. So the way how you guys turn it on, you basically want to push this button. So right now we do have a level 1. One turn on level 3. So now we do have a level 3. If it's in here, the steam is coming out already. And you see how much steam is coming out once you guys do turn it on. So now let's test it out to see how well it works. So immediately once you guys do turn it on, you can definitely smell that spring breeze scent with the disc that's on here. So that way not only does it help you guys clean your floor, but also give you guys that fresh scent as well. So whether if you guys like drop ketchup, or if you guys have like pet stain, or if you just have a really bad stain in general, it will help you guys remove it. And the cool thing about the product is the fact that since it only uses water, it doesn't use any kind of chemical on here. It's actually very safe for your pet to actually lick the floor or whatever. And I love how smooth it actually glides up and down when you go like this, and left and right as well. And once you guys do raise it up, you can see a lot of steam coming out. And even just by using it for a little bit just now, I can already see the floor is drying up pretty fast. But I do have to say that when you guys use the scrubber option in the back, it's actually really helpful as well. It can literally help you guys clean any kind of mess that you guys do have. But once you guys are done, you guys can raise it back up. Press on right here. And that basically turns it off. And then obviously once you guys are done, you guys can wrap the cable in the back to keep it organized. So just like this. So just like that. Very easy and very simple for you to use it and put it away. So definitely after you guys do use the product, it will help you guys clean your floor. Whether if you guys have like dirt or if you guys do have like any stain, it will help you guys remove all of it. But one thing to remember is that when you guys do get any kind of steam mop in general, you do want to make sure you vacuum the floor first, so that way you guys don't have a lot of hair at the bottom. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality steam mop that basically works the same way as right here, where it does give you guys a steam mop option and a scrubber option in the back, so that way you can clean stuff much easier as well. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.